I'm Michelle Beeson with National Plant Services, a Carillon company. We are here starting our new cleaning and CCTV inspection project for the city of Alameda. Alameda is actually an island located right here along San Francisco Bay, and it has a very rich history. Alameda was first founded in 1853 and became fully incorporated in 1872. In 1869, Alameda made history as the site of arrival of the first train to ever reach the shores of San Francisco Bay. Alameda is Spanish for tree-lined avenue, and it was a destination for recreation and sporting events with resorts along the bay shores. In 1936, Congress authorized Franklin Roosevelt to accept Alameda Point for $1. The land was slated for military use, and the Alameda Naval Air Station opened in 1940 and served the United States for 56 years, encompassing up to 1/3 of the island. The Navy base closed in 1997, and now Alameda is a quiet residential community of quaint Victorians, a bustling ferry transportation hub to cross the bay, all while retaining its rich naval history, which includes the permanent mooring for the USS Hornet, whose sewer collection lines we are cleaning as part of this project. Alameda owns and maintains 142 miles of sewer mains and 43 pump stations, and they have a very advanced capital improvement program to make sure assets get repaired or replaced when needed.
Hi, I'm Erin Smith, City of Alameda's Public Works Director. Happy to be out here with National Plant Services. We have them cleaning and filming our sewers as part of our preventive maintenance program. Super critical work to reduce the chances of sanitary sewer overflows, but we also use this condition data to make sure we're selecting the right pipes for replacement as part of our capital program. This year's project's over 130,000 feet of pipe. And they're doing great work for us.
The crew first performs 2 pass cleaning. Heavy cleaning was completed as necessary with prior approval from the city. We utilized our recycled water jetback trucks whenever possible, which helps increase cleaning efficiency and also minimizes the use of potable water to clean the sewers, as the trucks continuously recycle and reuse the wastewater to clean the sewers. A high-pressure nozzle is used to scour the sewer walls, and we vacuum all debris from the downstream manhole. Once cleaning is complete, it's now time to perform our PACP-coded CCTV inspection. NASCO's PACP is a national standard for pipe defect coding. The operator codes O&M and structural defects in each pipe segment so that the city can prioritize the most at-risk pipes and plan for repair or rehabilitation. The city has allocated capital improvement funds that will repair 3 miles of sewers every year, and CCTV inspection projects such as this provides the data used to select the most at-risk pipes for repair. If you want to learn how to use your PACP data to assess risk and create an asset management and repair plan, Appendix D of the NASCO PACP Reference Manual has a great guideline on how to begin.